Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would come back and film another letter keychain video because that was my first ever resin video, and since then I've come a long way with resin. I've played with it a lot more. So I've got some letters I need to create for somebody today. So I've got 5 letters to create, so we're going to do that. This one's still a bit dirty because I used ink in it. So 2 of the letters I'm going to do with alcohol ink and 3 of them I'm going to do with glitter. So my resin is just sitting for 5 minutes, waiting for the bubbles to rise, and then I'm going to blow it out. That's the resin that I use, and it's got a part A, part B, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So I've mixed that for about 4 minutes.